guys, for this glitch, gonna go. Why am I in another server? Okay. Oh my gosh, you probably can't hear me from all the people, but I'm gonna do a glitch so you can make everything invisible, including stump. I'm just gonna go ahead and go into a private code and be like blah blah. Okay, so blah. Okay. Now you can make stump invisible, guys. It's true. Okay, so what you're going to do? Come on, join the room. Join the freaking room. Yeah. What the? My gosh. Sorry, I just burped. Oh yes, now I'm in. So what you're gonna do is, you see that report button? Your hands are gonna be all weird and stuff, right? But there's a leaderboard thing. Click the X. Yeah. So it doesn't work in swamp. So I'm just gonna go to city. You're gonna go in in the same exact position as the same exact place as I am. Not like the same coordinates or something. Not the same coordinates. Oh yeah, and guys, I'm not sure why I'm on hunt. I was just trying to play some hunt with kids. But yeah, so what you're gonna do is go out of competitive. Okay, now you're gonna go right at the entrance of city. Now you're gonna pause your game. As you can see, there's an exclamation mark with the player, as I told you. Yeah, so now you're gonna click the X. Also, forgot to tell you, but don't do it 2 times in a row, or else your hands will be invisible. And you're gonna close that tab. And yeah, so I'm just gonna have to restart Gorilla Tag. Let's go. Restarting Gorilla Tag. There's my monkey. Oh, he disappeared. Okay, and now, wait, okay. Let's just join another random code so I don't join another kid's code with minigames kids screaming. Okay. Now, come on, join. Join. Yeah. Okay, now, what you're gonna do is go over to city like I told you. Right. Okay. Now, right after you're at the entrance of city, click that. And then your hands are going to be all weird. I don't know why I'm pointing. But yeah, you're going to click the X button after you closed out of the tab. Yeah, you're going to be like, hand hitter, VR. Hand hitter, why did you trap me in this box? Well, it's invisible. So it's invisible to other people. Only you can see it. But now, I kind of f***ed up the map a little. So, I'm going to try and find the exit of city. As you can see, the map is weird. I kind of want to see what clouds look like. Well, I think clouds looks normal. Maybe, because it doesn't... Some maps are loaded in. I think, the only ones you can do the glitch in is forest and... yeah, this one just loaded in. Forest and city. Because they loaded in at the same time. Okay, where am I? You're going to have to try and navigate your way. Muscle memory from Stump. So, just stock clouds. I'm going to go over here. As you can see, look at it. It's all invisible. So, as you can see, so, it's only you. It might be cool to play tag, but remember, guys, it's only you. Oh, yeah, you can, faintly see, my cosmetics are invisible, but it's only you who can see. Canyons, I think it loads in. Only you can see, guys, remember. Only you can see the glitch, other people can't. Gonna come over here. Oh, yeah, and guys, I changed my color code. And for some reason, there's lava under the map. I don't know why. But let's go outside. Try and find the exit of Stump. It's kind of hard. Oh, there we go. Adjusting my headset. Okay. Here. Okay, guys, see, Stump is invisible. You try to walk through it, you can't. It still collides with you. Still more colliders. Just cool feature. I think K9 or some other YouTuber, J-Man Curly, K9, I think, he did a video about this glitch. It's new. In the Valentine's update, better do it before the spring Leprechaun St. Patty's Day update comes. I'm Irish, so I'm really gonna buy a lot of cosmetics. And so, yeah, caves down here. Bye, guys. I have to go. Caves down here loads in. Bye-bye.